if you know a little bit about Excel, use it for a while, you probably know what macros are because everybody knows that. But do you know Power Query? Well, I have used a lot of time writing macros to automated tasks that Power Query can accomplish in just a few clicks. It's amazing, right? It's life-changing features for Excel that will save a lot of time, and it's super easy. You don't have to learn any codes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly that. Today, I'm going to use Power Query to clean the data. So to use that, I'm going to go to data and get in transform. From the get in transform data section, I'm going to select from text CSV because my file is in CSV format. Here's the file, sales data YTD. I'm going to click this one, and now it's open up the view options. It will show me the small view, limited view of the data, which a little bit, it looks fine. It's how it's supposed to look like. So now I'm going to hit transform data, and it will open a Power Query window. Let me show you. It opens on top of the Excel, as you can see here. I'm going to go back here. This is what you see here is a data view, and the top is the function features, menus, all the menus in here, and we have some steps that are already applied here. So in here, as you can see, there are null values at some interval. I don't want that. I want to remove those null values. So I'm going to go to remove rows and go to remove blank rows. It will remove all those blank rows. Now things are sorted, but I also don't need all those addresses attributes, all the columns. That is too much. I don't need that. I just need few of the columns until this quarter ID until the end. So I'm going to hit shift and select this last one and right click in the last column and then select remove columns. Now it's remove everything else. Now it's what I need. This is all I need. But there's one more thing. I don't need any other status. I just need shift. So I'm gonna just select shift and deselect everything else. And now it's done. Now I'm gonna load this data into Excel. When I go to home, and now it's done.